Have you ever experienced uh, post lunch sleepiness? I think that is primarily because your sugar level drops, and then that leads to you feeling sleepy post lunch, post dinner, or rather after every meal. So, typically, what really happens in an Indian meal is that we have rice, we have dal. Here in my case, I have chole. We have some sort of fiber. This could, in my case, I have methi fry today, but this is, you might even have some vegetable, and I also have chicken, which is my protein source, and rice and curd. So let me talk to you something about meal sequencing. So typically, how we usually eat is that we mix our rice with any kind of a gravy curry, and then we mix the curry and rice, and then we take a bite of these two along with vegetable, and then we combine everything together and we eat. Now when it comes to meal sequencing, what ideally the way to eat is that you have 50 percentage of your protein, and then 50 percentage of your fiber or vegetable, whatever is there in your plate. Consume them first, and then later have the remaining 50 percentage of your protein and fiber as you normally have along with your rice as usual. So that way what really happens is that imagine your stomach being a big wash basin, and then there is a pipe that's underneath that. So when you directly consume rice, what really happens is that the body consumes the carbs immediately, and then it converts that into sugars, and then that leads to a sugar spike. And then obviously once that is done, after a point the sugar level drops, and that's where you feel sleepy. Rather, if you first have your protein and fiber sources first, that way you are basically clogging that wash basin, I mean your stomach basically. And then on top of that is where you're adding your rice and everything else again. So that way, if you are able to meal sequence your food, I think that will be a great option for you to overcome the sleepiness that you experience after every meal. Thank you.